Hello. Today we want to look at how to correctly insert georeferenced point clouds in Revit. This is a little more difficult than with DWG files and IFC files, but definitely possible. It's done in 4 simple steps. First, copy the coordinates of the origin from the recap file. To do this, you have to go into the recap and save a coordinate to a text file. Next, go to Revit and set the origin of the survey coordinate system with exactly this coordinate. Then you can insert the point cloud. The shared coordinates method is used for this. You should then no longer move the point cloud. In order to rotate the project coordinate system so that the X and Y axes follow the building axes, we select the Rotate Project North option. I would like to demonstrate that. So first I'll switch to the recap. This is a point cloud like the one I got from the surveyor as an E57 file. It has large coordinates. I can find out the origin of this point cloud here. I copy these XYZ coordinates into a text file, and then I switch to Revit. I look at the site plan in Revit. Most of the time, I already see the symbols for the project coordinate system and the survey coordinate system there. I'll also draw the internal coordinate system here. To do this, I add the internal origin. The project base point is already turned on and the survey point is also turned on. I can display this in all views if I want. I have to model near this origin of the internal coordinate system. I have to bring the point cloud there. This is my goal. To do this, I change the survey coordinate system. I bring this coordinate system to the origin 0, 0, 0 of the point cloud. To do this, I go to Coordinates, specify coordinates at point, and now click on the symbol here. It is important that 0, 0 is now written here because 0, 0 should be moved to the coordinate that I previously saved in a text file. North-south is the y-axis, east-west is the x-axis, and the elevation is z. Because of the meter conversion, I multiply by 1000 here, so I delete the decimal point here. The triangle here has disappeared. I double-click Zoom Limits and see that the survey symbol is now very far away. I'm going to click on the paperclip here to stop changing the origin. I can move the symbol without changing the origin. I push the symbol, not the origin, back. Now it's here and we can move it somewhere else later. Next, I can load the point cloud. It is important to choose shared coordinates. These are the survey coordinates. I can ignore the warning because I have set everything up correctly. The point cloud will appear near my origin. Since I don't want to move them anymore, I'm going to fix them now and leave them there forever. In the side view, I can change the height reference. So maybe, let us put the height of a project coordinate system at the bottom of the point cloud. Now in the top view, I want my project coordinate system to be aligned with the main axes of the building. We see, it is currently aligned to the geographical north. That's completely normal, but I want to be able to construct along this axis, and that's why I have to rotate the project north. To do this, I draw something. For example, a line, or even an entire wall. I should work very carefully here, because this line determines the orientation of my coordinate system. Now I go back to Manage and Position and rotate the project north. I choose the last option because I want to align myself exactly with this wall. Now you have seen that the coordinate system is rotated, not the survey coordinate system, but the project coordinate system. If we look again here, we can now see that the project coordinate system corresponds exactly to the building axis, but the survey coordinate system still corresponds to geographical north is aligned. As a rule, I will now move this symbol to a place where I know a georeferenced coordinate, to a boundary stone or something similar. Set the origin of the project coordinate system to a place that describes my project coordinate system well. Let's look at it again in 3D. This is where the wall ended up. Here is the origin, and I can continue modeling and labeling points either by survey coordinates or by project coordinates. Thank you.